Good evening, everybody. Dubs here from 643boxbreaks.com, and this is box break number 148, 11-12 Elite Bin. And here's your list of winning bidders. So here's our box of Elite. Before we get to that, though, we're going to start off in true dubs88 fashion, spin our roulette wheel, and we will give away a team refund for this break. So here's our spin. And that is going to be 0-0, so we will spin again, because there are no teams associated to that number. And that is going to be 18. So team number 18 on our board. The winner of the refund will be the Winnipeg Jets. Winnipeg Jets will be heading to Devilish Demons. So congratulations. I will refund that one to you. And here's the serial number for our box. That is NE 99239-368. Checklist and all of our packs. Empty box. And let's see what we can pull out of here. Good luck, everybody. Alright, right off the hop, we've got a Sidney Crosby Elite Series going to the Pittsburgh Penguins and GolfNet 5/7s. We have a bit of a thinny here. All base pack. Then here we've got a Rookie Stars of Ryan Johansson for the Columbus Blue Jackets. That'll be heading to Devilish Demon. Then in here for the San Jose Sharks, we've got an Aspirations die cut of Thomas Greiss. That's going to Bovado. Spacer. And other than that, all base pack. Then in here we got a new breed of Jonathan Blum. That one's hit to the Nashville Predators and RJ806. Big blue jersey swatch there. Then in this one, numbered 11 out of 99 for the Buffalo Sabres. It is a Luke Adam gold rainbow die cut, a status die cut. So that is heading to Devilish Demon. Then in here for the Edmonton Oilers, we got an Aspirations die cut of Nikolai Habibulin for SM Genus. And Spacer. And for the Rangers, we got a Mark Messier on-card auto Elite Series. That one's heading to the Rangers and Devilish Demon. And that one is numbered 26 out of 29. Nice low number auto of the Moose. And then following that, we got a Mark Messier Elite Series. Hoisting the Stanley Cup. Devilish Demon back-to-back hits. And for the Nashville Predators, we got an Aspirations die cut of Shea Weber. That'll be heading to RJ 806. Then in here we got a Stars of Patrick Kane for the Chicago Blackhawks and Bovado. And for the San Jose Sharks, we've got an Elite Signings of John McCarthy. That's heading to Bovado. Sticker auto. Base pack. Then in here for the Carolina Hurricanes, we get a Chad LaRose Aspirations die cut. That's heading to Downtown. Then for the Coyotes, we've got an Andy Neal rookie. That one is numbered 436 out of 999. And that one is heading to Bovado. Spacer. Then for the Calgary Flames, we got a Greg Nemish rookie. That one's heading to Devilish Demon. And that one's numbered 767 out of 999. And for the Boston Bruins, we've got a Zdeno Chara Elite Materials. That one's heading to Sean, 1989-77. And our last pack. For the Detroit Red Wings, we've got an Aspirations die cut of Ty Conklin. That will be heading to SMGness. And that is our Buy It Now box of 11-12 Elite. Congrats to everybody on some hits, and hope you guys enjoyed yourselves. I will see you again next time.